Hello, fantastic Herzing students. My name is Dr. Stan Reeley, and I would like to welcome you to week one of our time together here in our Health Information Technology course. It's been redesigned, it's new and fresh and current, and I do hope that you'll have a wonderful experience working in it. I'm here for you to make sure that that happens. Um, I wanted to again say hello and extend a hearty welcome to you. I also wanted to give you like a brief overview of what to expect. Um, in addition to your two discussion questions that you'll have each week, and of course, primary postings need to be a bit more researched. Your follow-ups and to your classmates and to me, I want you to opine. I want you to feel free to share your own experiences, as well as what you may have heard on the news or have been exposed to, or something that you may have read. And feel free to interact, just like we were in a face-to-face classroom. I want it to feel that way for you because I think we'll all gain a better connection whenever that happens. Um, so keep that in mind. Of course, this is school, so you do need to show sources when used in discussions. But again, I want us to have conversations, and that to me is more important. Uh, and that said, I wanted to let you know that your assignments are going to be diverse and scattered a bit, meaning that you'll get to try different ways in or methods in delivering the information. It's not just going to all be writing assignments. Some will, but you'll have opportunities to put on PowerPoint slideshows where you narrate what you're saying, as well as what I will be viewing on the slides. And again, PowerPoints and narrated slideshows and of course writing assignments as well, um, mixes it up a bit, gives you an opportunity to not just have to do such routine work all the time. There's so many different ways to delivering information, and why not use the technology that we have available, right? So yeah, we'll be getting into patients' protection issues, HIPAA. We'll be talking about Joint Commission. We'll be talking about just ethics in general, uh, as well as how it applies to health information technology. And of course, whenever we have private information on patients that is in our um, protection, we have to consider breaches and how we would handle any types of crisis management issues such as those. So this is going to be a real world class, things that really do happen. Uh, because who would have ever thought that we would be living in the kind of times that we are today? So I'll just end it there and say thank you for your attention. And I'm looking forward to the weeks ahead. And just wanted to let you know I'm here if you need me, as always. So email always works best to reach out. But I'm always open to phone conversations or private one on one meetings. And take note that I will be holding weekly meetings with you on Zoom to go over the assignments and the discussions for that particular week. So hopefully I can provide clarity for you if you need it in these sessions, but just to have the company and the conversation. I will be recording them also for those of you who cannot attend. And I do understand these are optional for you, but the recording I'll post subsequently, and then you can have access to viewing it at your leisure. However, it's so much better when you're here. and keeping me company and asking questions and making comments and giving me something to work with because I need to know what you need to know, okay, so that I can answer your questions more comprehensively for you. All right, that's all for now. Take care. Congratulations on your success and have a wonderful week one. All right, bye for now.